good. I'm not getting that crazy array I would get from underneath the Ramada. Get my quad to plant today for some reason. I don't know what's up with that. Weird. Oh, that didn't work. She's not flying. She's down. She's down, man. She went down pretty hard, actually. There's so many birds everywhere. It's crazy. Yeah, I didn't feel the gap. It was not something I was feeling. I'm not even gonna lie. I wasn't feeling it. What was going on? I love this park, though. It's not very big. It's pretty small. Super fucking windy, though. Would we break? Would we break something? No, doesn't look broken. Not that we can see, anyways. Maybe we just have a loose prop. No? No loose props. It's okay. Give her a test of her real quick here. And that sign is fucking metal. I thought it was plastic. Definitely not plastic. Oh, she's fine. Well, not no more. Good goddamn. That was close. I got leaves on my head. I guess I'm not hitting that gap fakie after all. Damn it. I thought I was going to be able to pull that off right now. Oh well. There's one other gap that I want to try. Over here. Right down here. I don't even have to pull with me on the throw rope. My wife's got it in her fucking pocket. Yeah, sometimes you just gotta hit the gap, literally. I've wanted to hit that gap, but I don't think I can do it. Maybe. It's possible. I just gotta push it. It's getting hot. It's getting fucking hot, man. It's really getting hot. Sometimes you win. Sometimes you don't.